Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do cinematic color grading in Premiere Pro. So first you have to open the Premiere Pro and import the files in which you want to do cinematic color grading. So once you have imported the videos in which you want to work in, you have to simply put it into the canvas where you can start color grading or editing onto it, or you can go to this color section. Once you get there, then you can just simply paste the video. After that, we have to look for Lumetri Colors, which is on the right side. Let's say you couldn't find it, then you have to go to the Windows. There you will see the option for Lumetri Colors. Once you have it, enable it. Here we have the basic correction, and under it we have the load, which are some of the templates that are already created. You can click on to any one of these and they add the cinematic colors. You can actually create your own. Once you do any editing, you can save it and you can use it later on other videos. Now here in the basic correction, I'm just gonna change these values. You can check out these numbers and then you have to apply the same relation on your videos as well. You can see how much intensity I have done or how much reduced the options I have done. You can just simply copy it and paste on your videos. But one thing you have to understand, that these settings may not look that much good on your videos as these are looking on my videos, based on how much lighting you have in your videos. If you think that your video is looking too much highlighted, there's so bright colors, you can reduce or change these amounts a little bit. If there's a darkness, then you can also do that. So just simply set these options according to your video, otherwise you can apply the same numbers on your video as well. Also, you will see these options for vignette. These are also the color correction options. You can also set up as your videos. They actually add a little bit darkness on the sides, so you can set everything as per your choice, then play the video. If everything looks good, you can keep it. Otherwise, if you want some changings, you can little bit change the options and you will see the color grading will be done on your video. So that's how you can do color grading in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.